Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to open Volkswagen Tiguan trunk. Press the trunk release on your key fob or the rear badge to pop the tailgate. If it does not respond, use the mechanical key in the driver door lock and pull the interior manual release. For models with hands-free open, stand behind the vehicle with the key and sweep your foot under the bumper for an automated lift. In this video, I will show how to open Volkswagen Tiguan trunk. Hold the key fob near your hand when pressing the trunk button to ensure a strong signal. If the tailgate does not open, swap the fob battery and try again. For hands-free operation, confirm the key is in range and perform a clear foot sweep beneath the rear bumper. That motion triggers the automated lift on equipped models. In this video, I will show how to open Volkswagen Tiguan trunk. Quick recommendation. On another note, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, and smart mapping can save you time after a dirty trunk job. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and current deals, then relax for a moment. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to open Volkswagen Tiguan trunk. Use the mechanical key to access the trunk through the driver door if electronics fail. Inside the cabin, find the manual trunk release lever and pull it firmly to release the latch. Always consult the owner manual for precise component locations and safety notes, especially if you need to access the cargo area during an electrical fault or when the vehicle battery is disconnected.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.